Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Life Reviewed. My name is Deb and welcome to yet another episode of the Unboxing Tech. So today we have with us here a Google Home Mini. So these days everything is becoming smart. Look around you. Everything is smart. Your phone is smart, your lamp is smart, and your car is becoming smart. So you have to move on with the times, and you have to get things from which you can control your devices, the cameras and all those things. So this is one such thing. This is one of the cheapest option out there right now, and you can get with a Google Home Assistant speaker. And I would say the quality of this is comparatively better than the others out there. I have another here with me. This is the Lenovo Smart Clock, and I'll do the review of this very soon. Stay tuned for that. So this is also one of the cheaper ones out there. I think this cost around 3,000. So this is also one alternative of this, but I would say still go with this. Okay, so let me show around what's in the box. What's around the box, to be precise. How can I help? These are some of the commands which you can give to the Google Assistant. So small and mighty Google Mini Chalk. Google Home has the Google Home Assistant built in. So you have to use Google Home software to use this. Know it all, tap into, manage your day, and enjoy your entertainment, voice control your home. As I said, lights, thermostats, TVs, and many such things. So this is actually the first step that you can take to smartify, that is about smartify your home. There are other very expensive options out there. Google itself has ones which has screens and all those things. So you can start the journey with this one. This is the basic version. Let me tell you about the MRP of this. The MRP of this is 4,999, but I got this during the offer time and it cost me 1,499. Yeah, that's quite a big discount. So you can get it for around 1,500 and even less during the offer periods in Flipkart. This is not available in Amazon, maybe because they have their own Alexa line of smart speakers. So okay. This here smart speaker quantity is 1, voltage wattage 100, 200, normal voltage you can use it. Manufacturer and United States. Okay, so that's a pleasant difference. Usually all of the things are made in China. Packed, okay, speaking of China, packed by China. You cannot escape China. Imported by Guindy, Tamil Nadu. Okay, nice. Fun fact, I have been in Tamil Nadu. I lived there for around 3 years. Nice place. The weather not so nice. Anyways, coming to the bottom, Google Home Mini Chalk version. What's included? Blah blah, part of the Google Home family. Actual product, blah blah, the same usual things. Let's open this. Okay, it's so securely packed. I am afraid to just from where. Okay, I see an opening here. Google. The finishing is very good in Google products. You can just blindly use that. Okay, so where do you open? To pull this out, there's a tab. Nice. This is turning out to be a very good unboxing experience. Ooh, that's nice. Nicely packed. So this is the main device. It is covered by a fabric finish with the button here. This is the mute button. This is micro USB. Sadly, they have still, I think the new one has moved on to type C, but this is still micro USB. This is the first generation, by the way. So rubberized to get a good grip on the surface. There's something written here, model blah blah blah, 1600 mAh battery. Okay, all right, let's see what else is there in the box. I just like it. I just love it how Google packages their things, like small things. Like, yeah, these things matter. Okay, let's see what else is there. There is. Let me open this for you. Okay, let's get started. These are cards apparently. This is not a book. Plug it. Get the app. Nice. Get to know your Google Home Mini. This is a booklet, small one. Controls. Kitchen, bedroom. This is nice. Very good. Very nicely and user friendly way to introduce this. Okay, what else? This is the charging cable. This is the plug. So nice. There's a Google branding on top of this. Looks very nice. Very matte finish. It's very heavy. This is quite long. That's nice. Very premium feel, the USB. very premium feel. Let's see what else, or if there is anything else in there. Nothing else. Okay, let's put all of this aside. I will just a little bit of comparison for my sake more than anyone else's. So yeah, I've seen that there is a trend of using fabrics in all these smart speakers, especially the Google ones. So this is how it compares. So again, I'll be doing the full review of this very soon. I have unboxed it quite a long time back. I'll put the link of that above if you want to check that out. Okay, so yeah, let me put this aside and let me plug it in and show you a little bit of that. Okay, so I have plugged this in. I haven't turned it on. Let us do this. Okay, so I've turned on the power supply. Okay, 2 dots, great. 4 dots, it's loading. Okay, it's loading. This actually reminds me of the 4 dots that we see. Of course, they have based it on that in the search bar. Let me see. It's colored. Nice.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay, so we have to set it up first. And yeah, let me try. Okay, Google.
Your Google Home isn't set up yet. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
No. Okay, Google.
Your Google Home isn't set up yet. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone.
Okay, so I will be doing the setup and a full review of this very soon. Subscribe for that and stay tuned for that. And this has been a really good unboxing experience, I would say. And I look forward to reviewing this and using this, and I hope you do too. So that's it guys for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe. And if you want to know anything more about this, put it in the comment section below, and I'll answer each and every one of you. I am planning to unbox and review a lot more tech in the coming week and months. Do stay tuned for that, and stay safe. Until then, check out one of our latest videos here, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and stay safe. Goodbye.